We're doing some wild trout fishing. No steelhead here. This is one of the, so far that I've seen, one of the best wild trout fisheries during the winter. Gonna be using that pattern that I tied in the video, but just a smaller version. Probably, I think this is size 16. Right here. That's my top fly. 5X tippet. Fluorocarbon, so it sinks better. And so it's basically invisible. But I'm gonna run it off the eye of the hook instead of the bend, because since this is barbless, it could pop off easily if I tie it to the bend of the hook. For the bottom, I'll be using a very small zebra midge, size 22. Tie it with a gold bead. I'm gonna be running a clear indicator to replicate an air bubble on the surface instead of white, because these fish are low and high, so the ones on the surface I don't want to spook. Couple trout over here too, but most of them hang out in the other pool. Gotta watch out for rattlesnakes here. See if we can see something rise. Some pretty big fish in here. Biggest one I've hooked is a 17-inch wild trout. There we go. Oh, came off. Oh, these fish always bury themselves in the mud here. Unless he already came off. Oh no, he's in there. Literally burying himself. That's funny. So this is gonna be the smallest size that I'd probably catch out of here. Most of them are bigger. Every time you get a hook up here, they dig you into the weeds, and you have to take time getting all the weeds off of your hooks. It's another small one. This guy's colored up. There. Went right by my shoe. There we go. Super small. Oh my god. Oh, not super small, but small for this. Oh, there he goes. There we go. Woo! Oh no, the WD-40 is coming apart. Forgot to put head cement or something on it. Damn. I don't know how much longer they're gonna want to eat that. A nice fish. I'm now below that other spot. I sight fish this guy. Beautiful. Male. That's a good 13-inch fish. Wild. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I got him on the top fly, which is kind of like a hare's ear with a wing on it. Oh, there's a lot of fish here. And seaweed. Oh my God, that was right away. That was cool. This guy's strong. Jesus. Again, the top fly. Guess the ones down here like it more than the midge. Oh, almost stabbed myself there. These wild ones definitely harder to handle. There you go, buddy. Can we get a third? Yep. Wow. Top fly again. This guy's got an interesting red tip on him. Check this out. I don't know. If somebody knows what this means, please tell me, but check this out. I've seen some brown trout with kind of red tips, but on a rainbow. See that? Or it's orange. You guys see that? It's orange tip right there. He already unhooked himself. Oh, there he goes. All right, let's go get number 4. Just a little baby. On the midge. There we go. Oh. A lot of these fish are running towards me, so it makes it really hard. There we go. Woo! The jumper. Top fly. This is what that top fly looks like. It's just got this little wing thing on it. I think they like. There's it. Ah, but that would be a big one. That guy's running, look at that. Went all the way behind me. Again, on the top fly. It's really interesting how the ones down here are eating the top fly. The ones up there weren't. My card's about to overload with data, so I'll see you guys in the next video for some more trout fishing or steelhead somewhere, probably in the Central Valley. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this.